Hello friends, here is 25 important computer question. Let's start. Question 1. Which of these is an early mechanical calculating device? Options are A. Abacus, B. Calculator, C. Slide rule, D. Pascaline. Answer is Abacus. Question 2. Which type of computer is small and portable? Options are mainframe, B. Laptop, C. Server, D. Supercomputer. Answer is laptop. Question 3. How many bits are there in a byte? Options are A. 8, B. 4, C. 16, D. 32. Answer is 8. Question 4. Which of these is an output device? Options are monitor, B. Scanner, C. Keyboard, D. Mouse. Answer is monitor. Question 5. How many bytes are in a kilobyte? Options are 512, B. 1024, C. 2048, D. 1000. Answer is 1024. Question 6. Which of these is a peripheral device? Options are cache, B. Printer, C. ALU, D. RAM. Answer is printer. Question 7. Which generation introduced the use of integrated circuits? Options are first, B. Second, C. Fourth, D. Third. Answer is third. Question 8. Microprocessors were used in which generation? Options are first, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer is fourth. Question 9. What does a printer do? Options are inputs data, B. Produces hard copy, C. Stores data, D. Processes data. Answer is produces hard copy. Question 10. Which of these is not a peripheral device? Options are keyboard, B. Monitor, C. Control unit, D. Scanner. Answer is control unit. Question 11. What provides power to the motherboard? Options are CPU, B. Power supply unit, C. RAM, D. Hard drive. Answer is power supply unit. Question 12. Which device converts spoken words into text? Options are microphone, B. Monitor, C. Scanner, D. Speaker. Answer is microphone. Question 13. Registers in CPU are used for? Options are temporary data storage, B. Data printing, C. Permanent storage, D. Sound output. Answer is temporary data storage. Question 14. Which of these is an input device? Options are monitor, B. Printer, C. Speaker, D. Keyboard. Answer is keyboard. Question 15. A joystick is primarily used for? Options are gaming, B. Printing, C. Calculating, D. Typing. Answer is gaming. Question 16. Which printer is best for high-volume printing? Options are laser printer, B, plotter, C, 3D printer, D, inkjet. Answer is laser printer. Question 17. What was the first programmable computer? Options are A, ENIAC, B, ABC, C, UNIVAC, D, Z3. Answer is Z3. Question 18. Dot matrix printer works by. Options are burning images, B, spraying ink, C, melting plastic, D, striking pins. Answer is striking pins. Question 19. A smartwatch is a type of. Options are wearable computer, B, desktop, C, tablet, D, mainframe. Answer is wearable computer. Question 20. Mainframe computers are known for. Options are A, handling large-scale processing, B, gaming, C, drawing, D, photo editing. Answer is handling large-scale processing. Question 21. Which output device is used for visual display? Options are keyboard, B, mouse, C, scanner, D, monitor. Answer is monitor. Question 22. Which device provides tactile feedback? Options are A, printer, B, braille, display, C, microphone, D, speaker. Answer is braille display. Question 23. What is the function of the ALU? Options are prints data, B, stores data, C, arithmetic and logic operations, D, displays data. Answer is arithmetic and logic operations. Question 24. Laser printers use. Options are toner, B, ribbon, C, ink, D, carbon. Answer is toner. Question 25. What does bit stand for? Options are basic integer, B, binary digit, C, byte integer, D, binary interface. Answer is binary digit. Please appreciate my work by giving me like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.